Okay, welcome back. Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and we are doing our Fit in 5 series that, again, if you've been following along, my mom got hooked on doing my workouts. So I am putting out a video every single day, and we are getting fit together. So today is an arm day, 5 minutes of arms. We are starting off with curls. This arm is just glued to my side. You can see my tricep is engaging back there. Meanwhile, this side is curling. If you start feeling it too much in your tricep, which I currently am, bring this arm up a little bit more. And you can also turn this into a pulse, so you're just hitting the hard part of the curl. Let's do 15 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. That felt good. You can keep going if you want, or do another round here at the end. But another thing that I tell my clients is when we're doing our upper body, go ahead and go on your toes just faintly. Like I'm just hovering, my heels are just hovering on the ground, because it's one way to engage your lower body. It forces you to keep your core tight, so tuck those hips in, put a faint bend in your knees, and you are also working on your balance then. Good, let's do 20 more. I'm doing a couple extra, so I really feel it. Woo! Got it? I'm using extra light because I feel like I have more control over my movements. If you want to go up a little bit, you can, but make sure you're targeting the muscle that we're actually working on, not just going up just to go up. So hold on to some sort of doorway, and we are doing tricep, these little tricep holds. Hold for a second and then you break. Holding onto something is also working your grip strength, which I love. Or you don't know, but I do love. The hard part of doing these tricep kickbacks is when you have your arm straight, so keep it straight for a second, tiny break, and then you're straight again. We've got 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I just corrected my wrist because it was super flexed, and I was starting to feel extra pressure there, and I don't want that to take away from the movement in my tricep. All right, let's switch to the other side. I said this before, and I'll say it again. But I love working my tricep. It's a great muscle to work in between arm movements because it's very isolating, like back there. I do feel this in my shoulder a little bit, but most importantly, it's like a great way to like break up your arm movement. And once your tricep comes in, which it comes in rather quickly, it's like a motivator muscle. So keeps you going, makes you want more. Woo! Okay, lastly, we are going to finish with W. So we're working strengthening our rotator cuff. And all of this is in support of our joints. So, oh my gosh, my shoulder on this side. My shoulder on that side is very tired. Okay, so here you're keeping your elbows in. And you're just extending out and coming in, extending out and coming in. Good, let's do 10 more. 8, 9, 10. Ha! Good. Oh, my arms. They feel good. They feel good. Feel free to go through that video once more. Between yesterday and today, those are 2 good arm days. And let's keep going. We're going down our bodies, and so we're working our legs. See you tomorrow.